oge college. Yes. Ne wokite andu metago these overseas missionaries. College ne ya. Yes. Na ogetueka ne gocaguru aiga nona. Ma join that missionary work. To no mena mission kundu gwitagwo Nigeria. Yes. Kaiberi tondu wa academic excellence ri. Ni kale kamwe kale kiratia.
Gacagurirwo.
Yes. Gakoragwo TVET. Yes.
Oh, this technical institute.
Yes. Gathomagĩra wiring.
Ũgwerekeire ũtuĩka bundi wa thitima.
Yes. Ni wiring ya riri ya mitoka ya.
Oh, ya mitoka.
Yes. Mechanical wiring. Yes. Tondu ni kwakoragwo ke kanyu imwe no cio ri. Karacagũrwo kĩ ũmwe wale meguthi na mission ya kundu gwĩtagwo ku
Nigeria.
Ajibia. Mĩeri ĩyo
6.
Yes. Na ituura rĩtina kuo ũndũ ũcio no ritũ tondu makĩũĩ mũrĩmo.
Arauga Nigeria.
Nigeria kũrĩa gwa Sani ya Mbasha kana kũ
naoga
kũrĩa gwa thenema cikoragwo nginya na maconeki. Thenema cia Nigeria cia mũndũ ũragũthwo na rũheni
kana mũndũ yohete na mũganga.
Yes. Kana mũndũ ũrakuo na kĩande ũkona suddenly atuĩka mũtũngi kauga hey na wow hey funke you know you can be boss good for that. Okay, very good. Ituura rĩtina gekĩrĩra mũno because they just thought Nigeria rĩu tũmenyerete London, Dubai,
Australia,
na wakĩrumba magĩthiĩ Australia, Adelaide, gwacake wakagunya. Yes. The United Kingdom. Yes.
Kana Germany.
Yes. Maigua Nigeria is neither here no
there.
Yes. No rĩu nago Kaiberi gakinya kũndũ kũu he made some serious connection. Yes. No Nigerians, there is a part of Nigerians who are very rich.
Nigeria ni kuri andu me kiondo.
Itanga.
Actually the richest man from Africa is from Nigeria.
Yes. Niwe wetagwo Eliko kana etagwo
is Dangote.
Eliko Dangote. Yes. Ni mundu uria mutongu muno goku Africa. Ngaiwa ndaumeta South Africa. Aumeta Nigeria.
Ni mundu wetigiritwo nginya ni athungu.
Yes.
Ni change.
Eliko Dangote is a rich man. He actually
super rich.
Wealthy. Yes. Ndio. Kaiberi ni karakirikirie mieri yakwe 6. Na andu maracokire kumenya thutha-inĩ atĩ ũhoro ũcio rĩ nĩ ũrabangagwo gĩkĩ gĩciringi na matirarĩhagwo na ciringi ya gũkũ
mararĩhagwo na yaku
ndora
nĩ gagũcoka na mbia
watuĩrio rĩ hamwe na allowance na kĩrĩ ona magĩtagwo volunteer rĩ gatiraga gũtigia merĩ ma 75
mandora
ma ciringi rĩu ya Kenya yahoranio.
Ya change yoka Kenya.
Ya change yoka Kenya ni 275 omwe.
O mweri.
Na ndeko utia tondu no amia no araibango kundu kuu. Yes.
Ni gekũgĩa indo.
Ni gekũgĩa indo. Gatina nĩ wona cietagwo mbeca cia Nigeria. Icio cietagwo naira.
Naira.
Yes. Cietagwo naira. Yes. Harĩa karahauria ituura rĩ. Kono ni karakorio gacoka ri ni karokire na mugeni wa muherega wa Sara
ni karonire ndungata kuria
yusi Kaiberi ri itura ritikonaga very progressive hari uhoro wa kugia good romantic relationship so they were surprised Leo marauga nima njata ya mundu kuri ekoragwo. Yes.
Kaiberi arathire Nigeria.
Yes.
Aroka na muhiki.
Kiri aragucia ri ya thenema. Leo ndo maraiga you see uthiete na Nigeria rũgongo ri. Even that accent itself ni gegagia andu. Leo maroka kuge kaikararia temune kai ya thenema biu kai. Hello. What's your name? What's your name? My name is Naya. Say again. I'm saying my name is Naya.
Naya.
I know Naya. I come from Nigeria. I come from Nigeria, a place called Enugu. At Enugu.
You are going to go.
I very go calamet. You know, without what you
Enugu.
I ask you, there Enugu is where you do movie. Oh, my Buddha, I'm not an actor. I'm not an actor. I'm just a business person. And your brother James, James Kaiberi, your brother James, we have something in common. He's the one who uncovered the mysteries of my heart. And is my prince. Thank you.
Kaiberi Karato Prince.
James is my prince, and we love each other. Actually, we are waiting to come here so that we can take the papa here to come and see my papa. When your papa come and see my papa, they will become my married couple. You went to marry Kaiberi.
Kaiberi. Me with you Nigeria.
Yes. Me with the enugu.
Maka already 40.
Lego soka tu das yuke yekatia.
Ke ora ga uni.
Ituura maragucha niai. Dara ko ya kwa na Kaiberi. Ndaiwa kwe mo Nigeria.
Umete nako.
Ne wa enugu.
Go Nico.
Negwa kweta kwa. Hello, my sister. Yes, mama. Niwa nanginya ni ala ina mere akegeithia tumia. You are very good people of good manners. You see, in our culture, we are taught to respect the elders in our community. So whenever I agree to no do, I have to show some respect to because I respect you. You are like my mama. You're like my mama, you're like my papa, you're like my uncle.
Nani malaria piuta denema.
Let me ask you. Do you know Pastor Ken? Nah, I don't know Pastor Ken. Pastor Ken used to act in the movies a long time ago. So you know, this and Dominic. No, those people used to act the movies of a long time ago. Now the newer ones. As we know that one. Patience Osoko. Patience Osoko now award winning. Nigeria we respect a lot to Patience Osoko. We respect her a lot because she's a trailblazer in the movie industry in Nollywood. So you can you get the number?
Which one?
He's a light guy. Nigeria. He's one of the biggest stars. Yes. I am forgetting his name. Atiri Kaiberi. Ayalugagato. Tamurie. What I'm making for Gom Mama, I'm making a Fufu. Ate Bubu. You know, Fufu is like what you take here called the ugali. Fufu is made from cassava. Actually, the ningi mayamianga.
Uyu ni mwega.
So that the fufu we take with the water. Kufufua. You see the fufu, you make the sauces, and you make the meat, I mean you make the soup on the side and the vegetables, and then you put a little pepper. It becomes a very tasty meal, very nice. Take over it. I'm going to make you tomorrow. I make you the jollof rice. I'm going to make you the jollof rice so that you can enjoy.
Igo ciararuga indo itari ciaiguĩka rũgongo.
Yes. Maya oh, ni atugarurira kawairimo.
Totia kiria itheri gũkũ mĩaka mĩingĩ.
Athiriri. Nyane nju ya mwanga no ume kindu kiega ũguo. Wait till I make you the jollof rice and then I do with chicken. Good chicken. Hey. Ni bana ngoko yake ona ndara merinda ruwe. Ndere mathubu.
Ndio irio thubu.
Thubu yake ri. Ndere na runji wasko. Hala maya ya munu. Tell us about your peoples. We are big family. Our family is in the lineage of Dangote. You see, Dangote and my mama and my father-in-law and my mama's father-in-law, they are related. Because my mama's father-in-law was my grandpapa, the cousin can call Dangote uncle. Dangote ore tuori. Netoni yang.
Dangote ndaiguite mohoro-ini gwaka memeri. Ni ndaiguire tari gitanga kinene kundu kuu.
Tondu Dangote ore turaigua ni toini yang.
Kwao kũrĩ indo.
Aya ituura muno. Ma nginya ciarira mura. Haro. Naya. Speak. Now you're disturbing me. I've been speaking the whole day now. I can't keep speaking. I get tired now. Okay, guys, I'll wake up. Do you know the finder? Davido now I know is musical, and the other one they sing that after the reggae play the blues. After the reggae play the blues. Enjoy yourself, baby boo. Cause even your boo got a boo.
There in your kameme of there, do they have sai?
There because we listen to your music. Do you listen to Samindo? Now who's Samindo now?
You don't know Samindo?
I never heard of him.
And Waithaka Manjini.
What?
Waithaka Manjini.
Waje?
Wanjini.
Now what he do now? He's a politician. Is he a member of parliament? You don't know that one. What about you, Jasani? I never heard of that one. Nigeria, we don't know your music.
Nani what do you get yao?
Do you listen to any of your music? Not the only thing we know from Kenya are the people that run. But I've heard of Eliu Kipchoge. But I've heard of this lady. What do they call this lady that tried to run a marathon in 4 minutes? What is her name? Faith. She called Faith Kipchoge. We know Faith Kipchoge and we know Eliu Kipchoge. So yeah, you are saying it clearly. You do not know Pragia. Now, I never heard of those person. I've never heard of them. Nigeria, we listen to our own music. If you listen to Nigeria music, we don't listen to Kenya music.
Tendu na menya gizungu tamuria kani yo inganga.
Who the nganga?
Do inganga.
Who the nganga now?
Mundia.
What he do?
He polices.
What is special about him? He's in general commander. Or he's in the army.
Not of Jesse. Of Neno.
But the when he says shut up. mo Nigeria jora yero ro.
Ninaenda Seattle ndikinyite ku.
Hapana. Do you know that sala?
Endato.
And where I got to the maundu maona maito matioi. Have you chole? I ask you. Joyce your mama?
Which mama?
You are talking about my mama. Yeah, whose mama you talking about?
Joyce, she sings.
She sing what? Natemino.
Music.
What kind of music? Does she sing the Afrobeat or she sing the what?
She sing nai.
What is? She sing the naya. She's almost talk to my name because my name is Naya. So she sing naya. I would like to meet her. I'll ask James to take me to naya. Do you know Wakalumba? Now, wow, too many people ask me, and me, I don't know them.
Niakihingurite ituura maitho.
Ai very. Ti andu muno.
Muiki kuma Nigeria.
Kirorerwa. Wau atiriri. Tamuhaure igurera uka wega. Hua, na wao. Ya, tade namba. Heo! Tineke.
Ithake na 44.